Hi guys, today is summer day, Holy Week here in the Philippines. So now this is a clip electric fan. So this is a long time defective. I just trying to repair it. So now I want to see what happened inside. Why it's not gonna work. So I try this guys. So I think the motor is already is work, but the current is can flow. So I think it can the connection is running out. So it means the wire is cutting to the main source of the motor. So as you can see guys, I test the motor so it's gonna work. I just connecting my wire because it's always cut, and then it's gonna work, and it work, and it's going down, so it becomes broke, and the motor and the magnet is getting out it by side. So now I gonna connect the wire already done guys, and I fix it, and then that's all guys. So the motor is gonna work guys. So in this video guys, I think I can say and see you that I can say that our defective clip electric fan, don't throw it and just try to repair it, because the number one problem of this is the connections of wire. So it's not work because the current is the current is can running to the motor. So because the wire is out or cut, already cut, so now I'll connecting and um, because surely to not a short circuit. So I put a tip, electrical tip. So that's what I do guys. So as you can see guys, I fixing the wire connection, and then I try it and test it, and you can see that the motor is gonna work. It's already work. So now I fix now, and we turn it in the original of his original form. And then that's what I do guys. So the wire is done, and I will fix the like that guys, just a connection. So don't throw the defective clip electric pan guys. You just repair it and see what happened, and see what problems so I can say the problem that I see is the connection guys. The motor is not a defective, it is work, but the wire is only the connection. So now I fix it and connecting, so that the current can flow to the motor, and it turns and sends the wings of electric fans to turn around and give a make electric fan. When the fan is turning around by the fan, and it turning by the motor. So after that, it's already done, and it's work and ready to use again guys. So that's all guys, and I want to say you guys that don't throw the defective, just try to prepare it by ourselves. By the way, thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe guys. Now guys, I return the wings of the fan, and that's all. As you can see guys, so it's it's now we try to open it and turn on. No, so the fan is already gone guys. So it's a proud to ourselves that I we can repair things even we are not electronics or electrical persons, but uh, we can do this guys by ourselves. So as you can see guys, the clip electric fan is working now. I'm happy on my feeling guys to that I prove myself that I can repair a electric fan like this. So I'm so much happy. By the way guys, thank you so much for watching and choosing this video. Bye bye.